All right, Maverick's going to read something. What are you going to read? What is it?
The early bird.
The early bird. All right, you read it to us.
Here's the starting page. There you go. Whoop.
This name's
There we go.
my name's Titan. There's Fiber, and over there's Megan. Over there's Baby.
Okay, let's listen to Maverick.
And the bed.
He brushed his beak. Isn't that silly? Instead of teeth.
I'm going to move this closer. It's going to be kind of noisy. Okay.
Where's he going? Is he going to go
Adjust
find a
this.
worm? Yeah.
All right, buddy. Talk loud.
Her mama and
Titan.
daddy made out him.
Mm-hmm. He goes bye-bye.
Bye.
What's that?
And
Ladybug? That's not a worm, is it?
a frog.
What's that?
Not on.
Is he upside down?
It's a big fat frog.
Is he a worm?
No,
Nope.
it's not.
Worms live in holes.
Not legs.
Not in
You worm.
Hey, he read the top line. Are you a worm? What's that? That's a bug.
But hard. What's that? Ice.
Butterfly. What's that?
What to my eyes?
What is this?
That's my
Bunny rat. Is he a worm?
No.
No. Worms
No.
wiggle, wiggle all over.
They don't have a face. Well, they don't have a tiny face.
Is that a worm?
Not a big one. Yes.
No. Look. He's a mouse tail. He's not a worm. He's a mouse tail. Looks like a worm. What are these?
Bumblebees.
They're bees. Yeah. Okay.
What might put that?
Next page.
Say cricket. Hard pull.
Yeah, he pulled real hard. He pulled some more. Look. He's getting shorter.
What?
Yeah, he's tall. Now he's getting shorter.
Is that a worm? Yes, that's a worm.
Yeah, that's a worm. But is he going to eat him?
No.
No, he took him home, didn't he? His name is Wiggly Worm. And they went home together for supper.
You know, eagles do not eat.
What did he eat?
Peas.
Peas. Did he eat a potato yet?
No.
No.
They would be big and fat and potatoes.
Oh, he's using his tail to push the peas in his mouth. Look at his mouth open. And then what'd they do? They went up and took a bath. Mm-hmm. What did Early Bird have in his bathtub?
Boat.
A boat. And he wore his hat in the bathtub. You do that? You're not supposed to wear. Yeah, that's. He took a bath in the sink. Uh-oh. Okay, where did Wiggly Worm spend the night?
Oh my God!
In the flower pot. Oh, I see that, but that's okay. Here's the early bird. He's in his bed. And they said, good night. Love you.
Mommy, did you know
Okay, early bird.
eagles do not eat? Say bye.
Eagles eat fish and rodents.
Good job, Benny.
Fish and rodents.